Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix some keys not working on your laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your laptop some keys are not working, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. Guys, if there is any software issue, then if you try all these steps, it will fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on this troubleshoot settings. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find Windows Update. Just click on this Windows Update. If your Windows Update is not working, then you can run the troubleshoot for your Windows Update from here. After running the troubleshoot, then try to update your Windows from here again. After that, you have to restart your PC and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. Or before trying this Windows Update, or if your Windows Update is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu again, then type here device manager. Click on this device manager. In this list, you will find your keyboard drivers. Double click and expand it. Select your driver, right click on that, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers, and it will update your keyboard driver. If this option is not working, then go back again, then click on browse my computer for the drivers, then select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select this, click on next, then click on finish. After trying both these options, still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just right click on that, click on uninstall device, then your keyboard driver will be removed. After removing your keyboard driver, you have to just restart your PC, and again your keyboard driver will be installed automatically. That's it guys. So this way you can fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.